You want to change your Facebook password, but you've lost access to both your mobile number and your email. Classic tech nightmare. I've had friends in that same spot. It feels like you're locked out of your own digital life. But there's a way through. Now, normally, Facebook uses your phone or email as a kind of proof you're you mechanism. Take those away, and the login process gets fuzzy real fast. What Facebook doesn't make obvious is that there's actually a path to reset your password even without them. Start at the Facebook login page. Click on Forgot Password like you normally would. It'll ask for your phone number or email. Enter your full name instead. This pulls up a list of accounts matching that info. Yours should appear with a profile photo. Click This is my account when you recognize your profile. It'll try to send a code to your old phone or email. Obviously, that won't work, so click the link that says No longer have access to these. Facebook doesn't want you to see that option, but it's buried there. That's the doorway to account recovery. Next, they ask you for something better, a new email preference. Choose a new email address, one that you can access now. This is where Facebook might send confirmation links or updates about your recovery process. Next, they'll guide you through a couple identity verification steps. You might be asked security questions, stuff you filled out years ago and totally don't remember. But also, here's the pro tip. Facebook lets you submit a government-issued ID for account recovery. Upload a photo of your ID through their secure channel. A driver's license, passport, whatever you've got. Just make sure it clearly shows your name and birthday, since those help them match your identity to the profile. This is a major shortcut if all else fails. If you've ever used Trusted Contacts on Facebook, this is where they come in clutch. The platform might let you recover via friends, sending them special codes you'll need to enter in. You'll need at least 3 friends to respond correctly for this to work. Sometimes the system runs you through a short cooling-off period, as much as 24 to 72 hours, to verify everything. Don't panic. If you've provided a valid ID and a legit new email, you're ahead of 90% of users who give up at step 2. Be patient. You'll get an email from Facebook at some point, confirming your ID and linking to reset your password. Click the link, choose a strong new password, ideally one you don't reuse anywhere else, and boom, you're back in business. No phone or old email needed. Once you're in, update your recovery methods instantly. Add a new phone, backup email, and even activate 2-factor authentication. I once helped a guy recover his account only for him to lose it again 2 weeks later. Don't be that guy. Lock your stuff. Look, this workaround isn't lightning fast, but it works. I've seen it save accounts from total death more times than I can count. If your Facebook contains years of memories, photos, or contacts, it's worth the 15 minutes today to bulletproof it permanently.